protocol, Coinbase launches own blockchain as Sleuths scour PayPal stablecoin software. We're covering Coinbase's launch of Base, a Layer 2 network atop Ethereum, along with the crypto community's reaction to PayPal's new stablecoin and the brouhaha over Matter Labs' use of Polygon-crafted open-source software. Today's big news story in the blockchain tech world is the U.S. crypto exchange Coinbase's launch of its new Ethereum Layer 2 network, Base, possibly the first of its kind to be launched by a publicly traded company. Is it the start of a new era? Please see coverage in Protocol Village below. Our feature by Sam Kessler takes a look at the past 2 weeks' debacle and near disaster involving the decentralized stablecoin exchange curve, and adds up the lingering risks the industry still needs to address. You're reading the Protocol Coin Desk's weekly newsletter that explores the tech behind crypto, one block at a time. Subscribe here to get it every week. Network news. PayPal stablecoin, PayPal, the peer-to-peer payments platform, unveiled its own stablecoin, PayPal USD Piast, to be backed by U.S. dollar deposits, short-term treasuries, and cash equivalents. Built atop the Ethereum blockchain using the ERC20 token standard, Piast is the first stablecoin to be launched by a large traditional financial company. The actual issuer of the stablecoin is Paxos, whose original stablecoin Pax$USD has failed to gain significant market share compared with leaders like Tethers US and Circle's USD. Paxos previously managed Bust, the Binance-branded stablecoin, but stopped minting it in February at the direction of New York state regulators. Walter Hessert, head of strategy at Paxos Trust, told CoinDesk TV that holders of the new PayPal stablecoin might have more protection since the company is regulated and customers' assets are protected, including if Paxos were to go bankrupt. X, formerly Twitter, filled up with snarky posts from blockchain sleuths analyzing the Ethereum smart contract coding for the stablecoin. One narrative focused on an asset protection role that appears to allow a centralized actor to wipe balances. Another thread homed in on the project's use of a 5-year-old version of Solidity, a programming language used for Ethereum smart contracts. Scammers immediately started trying to defraud unsuspecting users by issuing fake tokens with the same trading ticker as PayPal's. There's some speculation that PayPal's and Trey might put pressure on U.S. lawmakers to push forward on stablecoin legislation. Our columnist David Z. Morris notes that the real prize for PayPal might be interest revenue from reinvesting customer deposits. Exchange jitters. Huobi, the crypto exchange advised by Tron's Justin Sun, saw its stablecoin reserves decline by $49 million in a week, or about 33%, as financial media in Hong Kong reported that several executives had been taken away by police in China. A Huobi spokesperson denied the reports. Then on Tuesday, blockchain data showed that a large investor, a whale in crypto slang, made 2 large deposits into Huobi worth more than $200 million, boosting the exchange's holdings of USD and Ether. A Huobi spokesperson said that the address does not belong to Justin Sun. The address is tagged as one of the top 10 holders of TRX token. Open source, open wound. Matter Labs, developer behind the Ethereum Layer 2 network zkSync, was accused by rival Polygon of copying part of its open source code without providing proper attribution. Matter Labs quickly acknowledged that some code was copied, but insisted that the attribution had been provided. Matter Labs CEO Alex Glachowski later conceded that its attributions could have been more prominent, writing on X, formerly Twitter, that there is a more standard approach to attributions, which we will wholeheartedly apply from now on. The kerfuffle provided a lesson on the community norms around usage of open source software, and an example of just how touchy things can get in an ultra-competitive environment. WorldCoin, the proof-of-personhood identity project with its iris-scanning orb, had its Nairobi warehouse raided by Kenyan police, local news organizations reported. Links DAO, an online community that bought a golf course in Scotland earlier this year for roughly $1 million, is accepting new members. David Rubenstein, billionaire private equity titan, says Bitcoin is here to stay, notes that there's demand for a form of money that can't be controlled by governments, regrets not buying BTC at $100. Protocol Village. Base, new Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain built on OP stack by the U.S. crypto exchange Coinbase went live on Wednesday. Click here for our exclusive interview with Jesse Pollack, head of protocols at Coinbase, who oversaw the rollout of the rollup. Community members of Mantle Network, the Layer 2 network, approved the creation of an economics committee to manage its $4.2 billion treasury. Circle Internet Financial, issuer of the USD stablecoin, releases the new programmable Web3 wallet platform that the company says can help businesses offer digital asset payments to customers. Safe institutional-grade multi-sig smart wallet integrates with MoonPay for fiat on-ramps. Alchemy Pay, specialist in making fiat payments available to cryptocurrency and Web3 services, incorporates USD stablecoin into its RAM platform. Money Center, Fundraising's high. Crypto payments application with Ethereum sidechain raises $30 million in strategic investment, forges partnership with metaverse gaming and venture capital giant Animoca Brands. Animoca Solve Protocol, Singapore-based on-chain fund protocol, raises $6 million to expand team and continue development of technology designed to help organizations raise money through creation, usage, and sale of financial products. Laser Digital, part of Nomura Securities, Huobi Venture Management, Marana Ventures, Emirates Consortium, Matrix Partners, Apollo Capital, HashSip, Geek Cartel, and ByteTrade Labs. Deals and grants. Arbitrum community votes on 2 governance proposals covering $5 million of ARB tokens from projects, nearly $4 billion treasury, for grant programs to fund development in the Layer 2 blockchain's ecosystem. Avalanche Foundation pledged to buy $50 million of tokenized assets minted on the network, adding fuel to one of crypto's hottest trends this year. Yuga Labs, creator behind Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs, agreed to acquire Los Angeles-based Roar Studios in an effort to expand its Otherside metaverse. Data and Tokens Paradigm Capital, Andreessen Horowitz, early backers of the decentralized stablecoin protocol maker DAO, have transferred more than $10 million of the project's MKR tokens to new blockchain addresses, raising speculation that the investors might cash out following a price rally of 73% in just 1 month. Parrot Finance, Solana-based DeFi protocol targeted by activist investors, will buy back its PRT tokens after community vote to return slice of treasury valued north of $70 million. KIN price surges after community vote to burn trillions of the tokens, a week after Ted Livingston, former CEO of messaging app Kik, had introduced code which is built around KIN. DeFi stuck in crypto winter, based on key metric, Masari. Decentralized finance or DeFi ecosystems are still suffering through crypto winter, according to the analysis firm Masari. As a whole, the industry's total value locked, or TVL, a key metric that represents collateral and deposits put into blockchain protocols, has been declining. On Ethereum, by far the biggest DeFi ecosystem, TVL dropped by 13%, dropped to $23 billion over the past 30 days. Optimism and Solana eked out gains. Calendar. August 10. BNB Smart Chain Plato hard fork upgrade. August 15-16, Canada's Blockchain Futurist Conference, Toronto. August 24-27, BitBlock Boom Conference, Austin, Texas. September 11-13, Permissionless Roman 2 Conference, Austin, Texas. Sept. 13-14, Token 2049, Singapore. September 2022, Masari Mainnet 2023. October 12-13, Bitcoin Amsterdam Conference. November 24, Cardano Summit Dubai. November 28, EOS Native Consensus Upgrade with Instant Finality. December 1-3, Africa Bitcoin Conference. April 2024 Estimate, Next Bitcoin Halving.